My name is Kathy Deloach Lewis. I'm owner of Christian Therapy Services for adult women. And the reason that I signed up to work with Rochelle in speaker coaching is I wasn't afraid to speak in front of groups. In fact, I've been speaking in front of groups for about 30 years. But when I decided I wanted to market my business by speaking to women at women's events, I realized I needed a process. I needed to hone my skills. I needed feedback from other people in the group. I needed accountability. I needed consistent feedback. And as a result of being in this coaching speaker series with Rochelle, I have left with a plan, a very specific plan about what I need to do, how I need to do it, and I need to start today. In fact, I've already started and have gotten a couple of speaking engagements already lined up, and I know that this is going to grow my business. I also know, because I have a message that really is important, that can change lives, I got encouraged to get this message out, and Rochelle in the group that I was with is helping me do that.